Okay, so that is a clown. Gravel? Oh, yeah, okay. That's a Krypton. There's no Krypton. Okay, maybe it's an Enchi. Enchi Desert Ghost. Ooh, yeah. Let's go. I see pastel. I see butter and leopard. Maybe it's super pastel. Do we have super pastel? No. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there's GHI. Okay. Fine. That's a Tofino. Maybe black pastel. I don't know. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's go. What's that? That's a clown. That's a hypo. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, okay. That's a leopard something. Leopard clown something. Cinnamon, okay. Ooh, yes. That's a pinstripe. Pinstripe and something else. Maybe like a, I don't know, red stripe. Ooh, yeah, I'm good, mama. That's a banana. Highway? Pastel? Yeah, let's see. Ooh, yeah. Okay. That's a banana. It's a super asphalt. Orange dream. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Ooh, that's a Russo pied. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah.